Hi there. I hope you're well. I'm going to make a moulding today. I love these toads and these frogs, and I'm going to show you how I make it. Not whether I had. Yeah. So this is my mould, and I've used it quite a long time, and it's got bits to make up the volume because I misjudged the amount of material I would need to make a mould. So there you go. But it's done quite well, but it needs changing. So, but I'm going to show you the result. I have it here, and it's a nice green frog. Although it doesn't come out green, it comes out, I don't know what the colour is, but it comes out like a green, but not green. So, okay. Right. Off we go. Okay, 40. Couple of drops of green. Okay, we have a minute or two before this goes off completely.